A safari in the Kaudulla National Park in Sri Lanka is a bucket list aspiration for many tourists, which mean the place is an absolutely incredible wildlife spectacle. Located in the historic city of Minneriya in Sri Lanka, Kaudulla National Park presents an ample of opportunities for travelers to spot majestic elephants in their natural habitats. In addition to the elephants, could rarely capture the glimpse of leopard and sloth bear in the forest. Going on a bumpy ride through an evergreen forest of Kaudulla National Park along the small trails is a great adventure, which wildlife enthusiasts can't say no to. The Kaudulla Reservoir, being the lifeblood to the wildlife of the park, attracts herds of elephants during the dry season from nearby Minneriya, and Sumedha national parks. The Sri Lankan subspecies is the largest and also the darkest of the Asian elephants, with patches of depigmentation, areas with no skin color, on its ears, face, trunk and belly. Once found throughout the tear-shaped island at the bottom of India's southern tip, these elephants are now being pushed into smaller areas as development activities clear forests and disrupt their ancient migratory routes. We came to visit Kaudulla today to see the magnificent Tusker called Sumedha. Wildlife enthusiasts only get the opportunity to see this tusker in this season of the year for about 7 days. Especially Sumedha is in mass this time period. Normally bull elephants spent their time alone in the jungle. But in their mass time they come to join with herds to seek females. When an elephant is in his mast, we can identify that by the liquid which is coming out between eye and the ear. At the mast period, according to the scientists, they get a pain in their tusks, so because of that they tend to stub their tusk on the ground occasionally. While we are watching the movements of the tusker, we noticed that he is getting unconscious about something. When the moment that we realized that there was a large bull elephant behind us, we also got surprised. This bull elephant is very famous around this area and his name is Bonnet. He got this name because when he gets angry, He normally pushes safari vehicles by placing his trunk on the bonnet of the vehicle. Arrival of this large bull elephant make us excited because two masked elephants in one herd normally end with a fight. Will they fight? Please comment your thought in comment section. Oh no. We got wrong. Sumedha stepped back and turned away. He let the eldest one to get his chance. When we compare this two bull elephants, Sumedha has sharp tusk and he do not need to afraid, but when we look at the bonnet he is older than Sumedha and well built.